the more we expand with developers, the better we are off in elevating securities in companies in the cloud.
Geron is the CEO at Orca Security, sitting down with us here at San Francisco, all part of RSAC's ongoing coverage for cybersecurity this week. Gil, it is great to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Let's start first with the general M&A space. How has the merger and acquisition activity impacted your recent work at Orca?
I think that the overall activity, of course, just created a lot of opportunity in the market. It's clear that customers are looking for the best-in-breed cloud security partner, and their opportunity to work with Orca as the single most largest and advanced platform that is independent creates a lot of opportunity for us.
It really seems as if Orca is doing a great job, not just competing, but winning in a very fierce market. How are you able to do that?
I think that our approach of focusing on security and focusing on securing our customers and continuing to push on innovation to increase productivity in security allows us to excel and allows us to push the market forward in how you do that.
Gil, so many of our conversations here at RSAC this week have been not just about AI, but agentic AI, and as well generative artificial intelligence as well. Talk to me about a lot of those risks or those opportunities that you see in that space, and how do you feel that Orca is uniquely positioned to address the moment?
What we are seeing is that customers are looking for ways to increase productivity, and agentic AI and AI is an opportunity to do so. And it's an opportunity that we are using as well in terms of generating and building tools that allow you to increase the ability to expand your team without expanding cost. And so when we think about generative AI, we look at the opportunity of us giving you code releases, code PRs, being able to recommend, being able to generate remediation, being able to find and look for the things that are really matter to you as a customer that needs to protect this environment, but also being able to understand, hey, where do I use generative AI? Do I have, AI sprawl in my environment, and where I need to protect it and how I can cover it better?
How important are the current state of partnerships that you have with Orca?
I think for us it's fundamental. We've been a partner first from day one, and we've been doubling down on that strategy all the time. I think that at the end, security is a team player. You need technical partners that can help you grow in the market, but also allow your customers to choose best of breed. We've announced earlier this year partnership with Snyk. Last year we did the partnership with Aqua. It allows customers really to benefit from having a team play in being able to secure their environment. But also we have strong partnership with AWS, Azure, GCP, with channel partners. And so the opportunity to go at it as a team just gives the customer better and greater value.
Yeah, we've gotten to speak with several of those companies, including Snyk here in San Francisco the last few days. Gil, if I'm not mistaken, you recently announced just this year, you now have more than 60,000 developers using Orca. How significant is that for you and the company?
I think it's phenomenal because we are focused on achieving that from a very clear reason. We want engineers, we want organizations, as they are building their applications, to be minded to security, to focus in making sure that we are not just creating this whack-a-mole of business of, hey, another alert, that we can really trim down and avoid issues in production. And so the more we expand with developers, the better we are off in elevating securities in companies in the cloud.
And I want to make sure I get this right here, so I'll reference my notes. You're the first agentless static reachability analysis solution. What does that mean for people who might be a bit unfamiliar, and how important is that for you and where Orca is today in the market?
For me, it just shows the essence of what Orca is. And what I mean around that, many security vendors are focused in what else we can detect, how we can generate more alerts and protect more areas. In Orca, we are focused on that, but we are also focused on how we can make it productive. How can we help you find the ones that matter? We've created the first approach that allows you to find vulnerabilities in production and actually see which ones are being used and loaded to memory without installing anything else. We've seen trim down in environments from 250 million vulnerabilities to 10,000, and then to only 6 images that I need to fix today. Now think about it, like from 200 million to 15,000. 15,000 is something I need to take in the next 5 years. 6 is something I can fix in the next week. So vulnerabilities, done, next job. So it's really, really fundamental on what you can do and how you can do it, and I'm extremely excited about the opportunity on releasing new innovative features that not only cover more, but help you to find out what you really matters and what you should focus on.
Gil, congratulations on all of the success to you and your team at Orca. That's Gil Geron. He is the CEO at Orca Security, here with us in San Francisco. Great to have you today.
Thank you so much. Pleasure to be here.